My government will strengthen educational assistance schemes, remedial coaching, motivational programs for parents, and digital learning initiatives to improve educational outcomes among scheduled caste students. Model residential schools will be empowered through improved infrastructure, smart classrooms, digital facilities, nutrition programs, counseling support, talent development initiatives, and specialized coaching for competitive examinations, enabling students to excel in higher education and professional careers. My government will intensify efforts to ensure comprehensive infrastructure development in scheduled caste nagars to have habitats by prioritizing the provisions of essential civic amenities and improving lively conditions. My government will undertake a comprehensive revamp of the housing support framework for scheduled caste beneficiaries under the Life Mission. My government will take up renewal mission focusing on employment and entrepreneurship to empower scheduled caste youth, women, and others through modern skill development and enterprise promotion. The industrial training institutes under the Scheduled Caste Development Department will be comprehensively revamped through modernization of workshops and laboratories, introduction of new generation and industry-oriented courses, smart classrooms, digital learning facilities, and establishment of centers of excellences in high-demand sectors.